What if the most powerful telescope ever built has just revealed something humanity was never meant to see? What if everything we've believed, about the Big Bang, time, space, and the universe itself, is starting to crumble under new evidence? The James Webb Space Telescope, designed to look back to the very first light of creation, has sent back data so strange that one renowned physicist summed it up in a single haunting line. This may not be our universe. So what exactly did Webb find at the edge of everything? And why are scientists warning that it could rewrite the very foundation of modern cosmology? The impossible galaxies deep in a region filled with ancient light, Webb's golden mirrors captured what appeared to be a faint yellow smudge. But when astronomers examined it closer, the universe's rules seemed to collapse. That tiny glow wasn't just another galaxy, it was the oldest and most distant ever detected, formed only a few 100 million years after the supposed beginning of time. Here's the impossible part. It's far too large, too bright, and too developed to exist that early. According to all known physics, there simply wasn't enough matter or time to form such galaxies so soon. And yet, Webb keeps finding more of them, dozens across the sky, each one defying our models of how the universe grew. They shouldn't exist, but they do. The unnatural structures. As astronomers looked deeper, the mysteries multiplied. Some of these galaxies appear to have turned all their matter into stars. No gas, no dust, no remnants, just pure, radiant starlight. That's not just rare, it's impossible according to every known model of galaxy formation. So now a darker theory has begun to spread. What if these aren't galaxies at all? What if Webb isn't looking into the early universe, but into something else, a structure bleeding in from another dimension, or a remnant of a universe that came before ours? Beyond the cosmic boundary, to understand why this discovery is shaking science, we need to talk about the Hubble sphere, the limit of what we can see. Beyond this boundary, space expands faster than light. Anything past that point should be invisible to us forever. But Webb is now detecting light and signals from those impossible regions, places that should be unreachable. If that's true, it means we are seeing beyond our own cosmic edge, into a region that physics says should not exist. The cosmic fracture. Webb's data has revived a shocking question. What if the universe never truly began? If galaxies could form faster than time allows, if light reaches us from beyond the limits of space, and if structures exist that shouldn't, maybe the early universe isn't early at all. Maybe it's a fracture, a place where two realities overlap, or where something older than our universe is breaking through. Whatever it is, it doesn't fit our models. And perhaps it never will. The hidden pulse among Webb's strangest detections isn't an image, but a rhythm, a faint, repeating frequency buried in the background of space itself. It's not a pulsar, not gravitational waves, not cosmic microwave noise. It repeats with mathematical precision, almost like a signal. Some scientists call it the heartbeat beyond time. Others believe it could be the fingerprint of exotic matter, something existing outside our own space-time. Either way, it seems too precise to be random. The phantom gravity. Webb also uncovered something else, invisible forces bending light and distorting space, where no visible matter exists. These aren't typical dark matter fields. They behave like gravitational shadows, pressing down from somewhere beyond our reach, as if another universe is brushing against ours. The mirror universe, a once dismissed theory, is now returning. The idea of a mirror cosmos, where time runs in reverse and physics unfolds backward. Recent Webb data hints that distant galaxies may rotate in patterns that don't match our physical laws, as if two realities are overlapping. It's as though our universe is being pulled by something unseen, a twin reality moving the other way. If true, we may not just exist in a multiverse, we might be entangled with it. In the silent reaches of space, billions of light years away, the James Webb Space Telescope picked up something no one expected, a faint flicker at the edge of everything we can see. At first, it seemed ordinary, the dying light of a distant galaxy, stretched and dimmed by cosmic time. But then, that light did something impossible. It disappeared. And moments later, it returned. Not from the same direction. Not from the same moment. But carrying the exact same spectral fingerprint, as if the light had traveled out, hit something vast and invisible, and bounced back across eternity. Astronomers called it a cosmic echo. But an echo of what? If the light circled back across the universe, that would mean space itself is not infinite, but curved and closed, like the surface of a gigantic sphere. If you travel far enough in one direction, you could eventually end up where you began, not because of time travel but because space folds in on itself. But what if it didn't curve back? What if it struck something, a boundary, a wall, or perhaps a mirror, at the edge of the observable universe? Something capable of reflecting light, yet not made of any matter or energy we know. Something that sits beyond the last horizon, where physics itself begins to fracture. The Webb team ran simulations, checked instruments, recalibrated sensors, but the echo remained. And it wasn't alone. Multiple faint reflections, all from different regions of deep space, carried the same strange pattern. It was as if the universe itself was whispering, sending its own light back toward us. Some scientists now wonder if this is evidence of a cosmic boundary, not a physical wall, but a region where our reality meets another. Others suggest it could be the signature of a previous universe, the last remnant of a cosmic cycle older than time itself. And then there are those who ask a darker question. What if we're not seeing the universe's edge, but its reflection? The unthinkable truth: the James Webb Space Telescope was built to look back in time, to witness the first galaxies, to watch the dawn of creation unfold. But instead, it may have revealed that creation never truly ended. That the universe we inhabit is only one layer in a deeper, endless structure, a kind of cosmic multiverse, woven from echoes and reflections. Each discovery pushes us closer to a truth that feels almost mythic, that our cosmos might not be unique. That beyond the curtain of light and gravity, there are other realities, other versions of existence, some expanding, some collapsing, some perhaps watching us in return. The impossible galaxies Webb has found, too old, too large, too perfect, may not be relics of our beginning, but windows into another cosmic phase, another timeline, another universe, overlapping with ours. The phantom masses bending space without matter. The mirrored patterns in galactic rotation. The mysterious pulse buried in the background of reality. And now, the echo. Each clue adds to the growing suspicion that what we see is only the surface of something far greater and far stranger. Perhaps the physicist's warning was never about fear, but realization. This is not our universe. Maybe it's one reflection in an infinite cosmic hall of mirrors. A delicate resonance between what is real and what lies beyond comprehension. And somewhere, beyond the shimmer of stars and time, that reflection has turned its gaze toward us. Because if the cosmos just echoed back, then something out there, whatever it is, heard us first.